Alright, we're the Grease Monkey, built by Yo. So today, we came in, it's a normal work day for us. So I was about to get ready, start straightening up in the shop, cleaning the floors, we're pulling cars out. Then, I was like, shoot, let's start and just put all the Chevelles, in a row. They had to come out anyway, and we missing one. But, I was like, why not pull them all out? And, y'all tell us what y'all favorite year is, because we got every year and every color combination except white. And then we got a gray 72 Chevelle, and it's technically in the middle of a project. I'm currently swapping it, so we couldn't bring that one out. But every other year is outside. So, like we starting out up here with the 71. It's still factory up under the hood. It's just a small block 350. But it's already on forges. Still under construction. It's got fresh paint. Then we got the 71. It's a big block, 396 car. It's not gonna get swapped out. It's clean. We cleaned up under the hood. It's already got brakes. Car pretty much done. We ain't got nothing else to do to this car. Then we got the 70. So shoot, if you like the muscle cars but don't really like the real big wheels, this one for you. It's got an LT4 in it, the brakes. Y'all done seen it on channel a couple times. Then the next one, we got another 70 drop top. They all convertibles. We got a 70 Chevelle. It's still under construction. We really ain't did nothing to it. It's got a built 355 in it. And this Joker, hey, I always said it to me looks like a kid in high school, car got passed down to him, granddad or something had it. That's what you gonna drive to school. Joker sound good, got a cam, it's all sound good in it. Then the next one is another 70. That's like, to me, I feel like that's like your granddaddy. He done had this car since it was original. Got it fresh out the showroom floor. Ain't did nothing to it, went to car shows. It's still just OG clean. Then the next one is a 69 Chevelle. Same thing. You put you some crackers on it. Got you a little bit fatter tire in the back, skinny tire in the front. You pop out on Saturday morning, uncap the headers. You just ride through the neighborhood, you know, raise a little sand. All right, you guys. So, side note, I forgot to mention, some of these cars are fully completed. Some of them are in the middle of the projects, and some of them are projects for the near future that we ain't even got started with. So I just wanted to come in and clarify that for all intents and purposes. All right, so get back to the video. Then the last one is a 68 Chevelle, and it's got the 22-inch forges on it. Got a 5.3 LS in it. Nice little swap for like to me, I feel like that's like your average weekend, somebody putting them a car together, kind of like your average working man. You got you some forges, got your LS swap. Joe got a cam in it, sound good. You pop out Saturday night, drop the top. So, we kind of got a car for every situation. I feel like you can't say nothing bad about this lineup. You got your, somebody old that don't like the big wheels. We got you a car on Kragers. We got you a car on Rallies. Got you a car on Steelers with the raised white letters. Then, you got your middle age that you don't really want real big wheels, but you want you some wheels. So we got you one on 22s. We got two on 22s. Then, like, might be somebody a little bit younger. They might want you some 24s, squatted down, what's popping today. So we got you your 24s, nice paint, wheel woods, everything is up to date, keeping up with the times. Both of these on 24s, squatted in the back. It give you that up to date look. So, this was just kind of like a middle of the day random thought that I had. So, hey, that's all we got for you. Come down in the comments, tell us which one of these is your favorite, what color is your favorite, what model, is your favorite. Let us know what you think about our lineup. And like I said, we missing a gray 71. So, well, nah, my bad. It's a gray 72. and it's in the middle of getting a LS swap, a Pro Charge 454 LS motor. That joker gonna be crazy when it drop. Y'all gonna see it soon. Like I said, comment in the comment, let us know what you think. And shoot, Will Grease Monkey from Built by Yo. Peace. All right, so people, we came back in the shop. Then I was like, dang, how could I forget? 6-8 Chevelle that I didn't mention. And then we got a 6-9 Chevelle, fully frame off, LT4, 6-speed. And then we got the 72 gray Chevelle that I referenced to earlier. So, you know, that was just a little side note.